Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a Salesforce review and breaking down what it is, how it works, the good parts, the drawbacks, and who it might be right for. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform used by businesses to manage sales pipelines, customer data, marketing campaigns, support cases, and analytics in one place. It's one of the most widely used CRM systems in the world and is designed to help companies organize their processes, improve customer engagement, and automate everyday tasks. One of the biggest strengths of Salesforce is its feature richness and scalability. It offers tools for sales teams to track leads and opportunities, marketing teams to run campaigns and segment audiences, and service teams to manage customer support tickets. Because everything is centralized in one platform, teams can access the same data and work more efficiently without juggling multiple tools. Another advantage is that Salesforce is highly customizable. Businesses can tailor workflows, dashboards, and reports to match their specific needs. There are also thousands of integrations available through the Salesforce App Exchange, so companies can connect Salesforce to other tools they use, like email platforms, productivity apps, and financial software. This makes it flexible for different industries and business sizes. Salesforce also has strong analytics and reporting features. Users can create custom reports and dashboards that show key performance indicators in real time. This helps teams make data-driven decisions, track trends over time, and identify areas that need improvement. However, there are some drawbacks to keep in mind. One is that Salesforce can be complex for beginners. New users often need training or onboarding support because the platform has many features and settings. It's powerful, but that also means it takes time to learn the interface and how everything connects. Another point is that costs can be high for smaller businesses or teams. Salesforce is typically priced per user per month, and more advanced features often require higher-tier plans or add-ons. This makes it a bigger investment compared to simpler CRM tools. Some users also find that customization can require technical help. Setting up workflows or integrations may need someone familiar with Salesforce administration or development, especially for more advanced configurations. So, who is Salesforce best for? Salesforce is a great choice for medium to large businesses and enterprises that need a robust system to manage customer relationships, sales pipelines, and support across teams. It's also a strong option for businesses with complex processes or those that plan to scale, since it offers tools for collaboration and automation as workloads grow. Overall, Salesforce is a powerful and versatile CRM platform that offers deep functionality for managing customers and driving business growth. It may take time and investment to set up and learn, but for organizations that need a centralized system, it can provide significant value. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.